What's going on, world of YouTube, and welcome to another payout performance review. We're going to be requesting, I think, about 1,500 out of the 1,800 I made today. We'll run through these stats and the charts in just a minute. But before that, I want to export the trades and kick off the analysis. And I'm going to use Gemini for the prompt, and then we'll paste it in the Grok. And in Gemini, they have this thing called gems. So I created one, and this gem is a highly experienced and successful day trader, scalping. Given this vast experience and knowledge, the gem is also a coach who analyzes standard day trading, scalping KPIs, summarizes the performance, compares the results, aggregates where necessary to zoom out on the performance analysis to span multiple reports. So it's supposed to be a more custom. So let's go ahead and add the trades. So this one here. Okay, so and then we'll just have it. And actually, I'm going to do the Grok at the same time. Let's make sure everything's streaming correct. Yep. Yeah. Okay, and we're going to use Gemini Pro and kick that off. And then same thing, we'll do that here as well. And we're using 4.2. All right, so while that's going on, and both of them are currently thinking, we'll let them do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and export this file before I forget. So this is now all the trades in the full trading period that got me to over the threshold. So we'll come back to that once we look at those individual trades. But to begin with, so we had a profit factor of 4.6, a max drawdown of 226, win loss of 8. Profit I mentioned was over 1,800. Only 80 in commissions, which is good. Made 2,400 and gave back 500. So I'm good with all those stats. And so if we, looks like we're getting some results. But if we go ahead and look at the full trading period, this is what it looks like on take profit, starting with 50K account and then just gradually building up. Had a bit of a dip here, and then coming back strong. So in terms of looking at the days, I started on February 6th, which is why I did that report. But I actually traded, my first trading day was February 9th. But yeah, I made 382. No, sorry, I made 367. Made 612, and yeah, you can see all the numbers. And so this was the day that I took a $1,000 loss. I was up 200 at one point, so silly that I continued to trade. And then finishing off with 1861. So that's what those numbers look like. Head back to the chart. And not sure why these guys are taking so long, but oh, here we go. So we've got both. Start with Grok. So the key metrics is highlighted. So a total of 238 trades. Oh, this is giving me a win rate of 44%. Winning 23 of those in 4. Profit factor 4.81. Yeah, largest loss being large, significantly larger than my largest win. That's not good. Total 326 trades. Oh, sorry, contracts traded. So, yeah, 238 trades. I'm not going to go through all of this in detail on the call, but definitely, the summary is probably the most interesting. So, masterful scalping performance. Thank you, Grok. That's very kind. Tight risk, asymmetric reward, relentless execution, profit factor, and net profitability out rate, the moderate win rate. Okay, so gives me a grade of an 8. Okay, so larger losers are stopping me from the A+. Great job. This is the kind of session professional scalpers aim for. It's not keeping the same discipline. Okay, if you want deeper dives, share more logs. Okay, cool. So you need to continue to do that. Anyway, so let's see how Gemini did using my scalping coach. Scalping coach Gem. And then we'll go back to the full week review. This is easier. I like this one better. So high win rate. So this one said 44 win rate, 105, 133 losses, or break even. No, it's not giving me the actual stats. An A-. Exhibited the defining trait of a professional scalper. It says that's actually kind of similar. But trades aggressively when the setup failed, taking on commission hits. Nice. Capitalized heavily when the market provided direction. Please. I don't want to tell what my win rate was, wins versus losses, as well as my average winner. So let's see how it does that. This one already produced it. I just don't think the win rate's accurate. mean, this one says 105 to 113, so that's where I'm disagreeing. Oh, it is. It's still saying the same thing. 105 winnings, 133 losers. This is what elite risk symmetry looks like. Well, all right. Well, there you go. So that's what it's telling me for that. And so let's go ahead and do a new one. For the we do the same thing here. All right, so this should now be the full period, which is what I'm resetting here as well, which is when I open the account. And generally, again, other than just the big dip, I'm not sure. No, this is the big dip. So other than that, you know, definitely decent. Profit factor of 2, win-loss of 7. I'm currently at 4,779 up. Take profit requires that you keep a buffer of 2K. Pay about 10% fees for that, winning a total of over 10K, but giving back over 50% in terms of the losses. So more work to be done in that space for sure. All right, are we done? Interesting. We got charts going on here. Wow, this is amazing. It's literally giving me the charts. So a total of 1,000 trades. That's a good number. Win rate is so low, 39%. I'm so surprised. This is good though. Average winner 24, average loser only 8. 2.89 risk reward. That's good. Max drawdown of 1,600. That's not great. So strong performance. Profit factor 1.91, which is close enough, but not really what that. But it's not what Quanttower is showing. Yeah, largest losing trade is much larger than my largest winning, which is right. While my average loss is small, I occasionally make large losses. Yeah, so then a max drawdown of 1615 is 30% of total profit. Is max drawdown here is 16. So I calculated that correctly. So this is giving me a B+, which is where I was before. So win rate here is 43 winners. It's a slightly higher profit factor. Average win is different as well. It's close enough. 2459, 2452, 850, 592. total commissions is not, was 151. This one said 449. And Quanttower has it at 449 in fees. So I'm definitely a lot more inclined to go with Gemini. And they're giving me a B. I need polish on risk consistency and selectivity. All right. So I think it's fair to say, yeah, B and B. But I'm all good with that. And I believe that's where we leave it at. So thanks for watching and for going through that with me together, and onwards and upwards from here. Peace.
At the end of the day, I ask myself one question: can I take one more step? And usually the answer is yes. So if you can answer that question and not take another step, that is real failure. That is real quitting.
Consistency of work. Monday, get better. Tuesday, get better. Wednesday, get better, right? And you do that over a period of time, not like 1 month or 2 months. I mean, it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years. And then you get to where you want to